Hi, I'm here to talk about dreidel. Dreidel is a game that's played during Hanukkah. Dreidel is just a top which has 4 Hebrew letters on it.
Nun, Gimel, Hey, Shin, standing for the phrase Nes Gadol Haya Sham, a great miracle happened there. But in Israel you play with a Pe, Po, here.
So to play the game, you spin the top. And depending on which side that the top lands on is what you get to do. In this case, it landed on a shin.
You have to put a coin in the kitty.
Yes, I do. Now, if it lands on a hay,
you get half of the stuff that's in the pot, or, as I previously stated, kitty.
If it lands on a gimel,
you get everything.
And if it lands on a nun,
you do nothing. What that doesn't explain is how Gus keeps winning.
This is the decorations section. Generally, decorations come in the form of dreidels.
Like these, or this, which is
3-dimensional, as opposed to the 2-dimensional of some of the others. Now, in order to make a good 3-dimensional, or even a good 2-dimensional dreidel, take a piece of construction paper, or, for a 3D one, 2 pieces of construction paper. And you draw out half of a dreidel on it, and you cut to make it so that every side would be exactly the same. Looks like we're making a pink lemonade dreidel today. And because of a dreidel's rather simple shape, they're one of the easier decorations to make. Now, all you have to do to get it all set up is to tape the 2 pieces together on folds such as this, like it is over there.
Also pink lemonade. Fancy that.
And you add the symbols, and you have a dreidel decoration.
Oh, Hanukkah, come light the menorah.
These are menorahs. They're also special menorahs, Chanukias, for Hanukkah. They have 9 candle holders, 1 shamus, or worker candle, and 8 standard candles for the 8 days of Hanukkah. Now, this one specifically is different from all the rest. All of these are Chanukias, but this one isn't kosher. The 8 standard candles have to be at equal height. This one is not. Thus it is decorative. You can light it if you want, but when saying the Hanukkah blessings, there has to be at least 1 kosher Chanukia lit. Lighting the menorah has to be done in a specific way. Say it was the 5th day of Hanukkah, for instance, you put in the shamus first, and then put in the candles from right to left, until the amount of standard candles equals the day, in this case, 5. You then light the shamus, and use the shamus to light the other candles from left to right. All 5 of them, and then put the shamus back. And then say the blessing.
So, like with all Jewish holidays, there is traditional food, and with Hanukkah, the traditional food are things fried in oil. Specifically, potato latkes and sufganiyot, which are donuts. But if we're going to take the fried in oil as being the important part of it, so are deep fried pickles, onion rings, mushrooms, elephant ears, deep fried chocolate bars. Oh, sorry, latkes, and they are served with applesauce or with sour cream or sugar. I know people that eat them with all of the above. And, oh yeah, the oil, it's things that are fried in oil, because the miracle of Hanukkah is that the oil for the lamp, for the everlasting light, lasted until new kosher oil could be made. And so in honor of that, we eat deep fried food, which makes us all very happy. Rye, I got a latke! Maybe you need a plate.
Happy Hanukkah!
Oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's join the party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat.
Happy Hanukkah!